Welcome to your very own Tarla Dalal's kitchen. I, Chef Pal, today will be showing you a hot piping bhajia recipe called Chana Dal Bhajiya. So for the Chana Dal Bhajiya, the first main ingredient would be Chana Dal. So I've taken half cup and I've soaked it in hot water for 1 hour and drained it. You can see. So now let's put this in a mixer. So I've put it in the mixer, as you can see. To this I'm going to add some roughly chopped coriander, some roughly chopped green chillies, garlic and ginger. And we'll blend this without using any water to a coarse paste. So as you can see, it has been coarsely blended as we wanted it. Make sure you do not add any water and you use a small jar like I have used. To this we'll add some finely chopped onions, very little, rice flour, little hing or asafoetida, salt and little water. We don't want the mixture very thin or watery, we want it thick. So approx 1 tablespoon of water is just perfect. So it has been mixed well, as you can see. Let's start making the bhajiyas. So our oil is nice and hot. Let's fry the bhajiyas. Don't make them very big because they'll take more time to cook. If you have a small pan, make sure you fry few at a time. Make sure you fry them till they're nice and golden brown in color. So some of them have been done. We'll try and drain them. We'll wait a minute or two for them to deep fry. Make sure you allow them to turn till they're nice and golden brown in color, otherwise they will not be crunchy. Yes, so they have also been turned nice and crispy. Let's drain them. So let's quickly serve these bhajiyas.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com.